A dime a dozen. Very common or easily available. Break the ice. Ease tension or awkwardness in a social situation. Piece of cake. Something very easy to do. Under the weather. Feeling slightly ill. Up for or down for. Willing or wanting to do something. Play it by ear. Decide how to act based on the situation as it develops. Call it a day or call it a night. Stop working on something. How's it going? How are you? What's up? What's happening? What's new? What has been happening recently? Long time no see. It's been a while since we last met. Can't complain. Life is good. No major issues. Oh my god, or oh my gosh, or oh my goodness. Expression of surprise. You sold me. You convinced me. Take your time. No need to rush. Lost your touch. Not as good at something as before. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more daily lessons and contents. And also please remember to hit that like button. Take it easy. Relax or rest. Speak soon. We'll talk again soon. Give my love to. Send my regards to. Have a good one. Have a good day or have a good time. Exactly. I completely agree. Absolutely. Definitely yes. That's so true. I agree completely. I couldn't agree more. I totally agree. Tell me about it. I completely understand or agree. I'm not sure about that. I disagree. That's not how I see it. I have a different opinion. Not necessarily. I don't completely agree. You're most welcome. Response to thank you. No worries. It's not a problem. Alright everybody, that's it for today's lesson. Thanks for watching. I will upload daily lessons, so remember to subscribe. Also remember to like this video if you don't mind. I'm so glad to be here helping you. Until next time, stay safe.